All right, top news coming in from Bengal right now. It's the teacher recruitment scam. This is going to be trouble possibly for the Mamata Banerjee government. It's already been a setback by the top court. The Supreme Court has upheld the Calcutta High Court order and cancelling 25,753 appointments of teaching and non-teaching staff. This was the 2016 incident that led to a jobs for cash scam for the teacher's appointment. The top court, in fact, has added that the whole selection process appears to be tainted. The apex court has said that's not it. There's been a cover-up of the scam. It's damaged the integrity of the selection process. Amid all of this political showdown, BJP in opposition jumping at the TMC government, saying that the Bengal government has failed the state. They are responsible for the scam and, importantly, for the cover-up. BJP is demanding Mamata Banerjee's resignation as well. But the Bengal CM, like we have seen in the past few days, hitting back right after the accusation, saying the BJP government is deliberately targeting Bengal and that she will always stand with the teachers.
There are a lot of teachers who lost their jobs. They have gathered over here and they are discussing regarding the order which came out today on Friday, and where the Chief Justice of India has said the interest selection process is vitiated by manipulation and fraud, and credibility and legitimacy is denuded. And after coming out this order, all those teachers who lost their job have gathered over here at Esplanade area and they are discussing with each other, but they are not considering this order as justice. They are stating that this is totally injustice they have got from the apex court after challenging the order of Calcutta High Court also. And right now they have no idea what to do right now. They are discussing. They have to discuss with their advocate what is the legal process and what to do right now. With camera person Upholds, this is Rajesh Shah for India Today, Kolkata.
हाई कोर्ट में कोई केस में मतलब किसी के साथ अनजस्टिस होगा तो उन्होंने तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट को जाएगा ना जस्टिस के लिए, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी सेम इनजस्टिस हुआ मेरे खिलाफ। तो मेरा जो नेक्स्ट डिसीजन है कि दिल्ली पे हमारा एक टीम है, उन्होंने आएगा और उसके साथ डिस्कस करके हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर दिया है। इसके बाद एक रास्ता है रिव्यू पिटीशन है, तो हम लोग रिव्यू पिटीशन करेंगे और उसके बाद जो प्रोसीड्यूर होगा तो होगा।
ये जजमेंट नहीं हो, ये बहुत गलत हुआ। यही बस बोलना है कि हम लोग कोई गलती नहीं की तो किस बात की पनिशमेंट। अब गलती प्रूफ करो। पहले सीबीआई ने जो डेटा वहाँ पे सबमिट किया है, वहाँ पे टेंटेड और अनटेंटेड जो कैंडिडेट्स है उनके पूरा का पूरा लिस्ट है। तो फिर हम किस बात की सजा हमें मिल रहे हैं? हम तो टेंटेड कैंडिडेट में कोई भी लिस्ट में नहीं है, हम टोटली अनटेंटेड है। फिर किस बात की सजा? हमें हमारी नौकरी क्यों छीन लिए गए?
As a citizen of this country, I have every right. আমি কিন্তু জাজকে রেসপেক্ট করে বলছি, আমি জাজমেন্টটা মেনে নিতে পারছি না। I can express some opinion about the verdict from the humanitarian point of view. মানবিকভাবে আশা করি আপনারা এটাকে ডিস্টর্টেড করবেন না। ইভেন আরেকটা কথা, আপনারা যাদের টেন্টেড বলে দিচ্ছেন, আমাদের কাছে তো কোনো ডকুমেন্ট নেই, কারণ আমাদের যদি স্টাডি করতে দিত আমরা নয় খুঁজে বের করতে পারতাম। আত্মরক্ষার জন্যও তো একটা সুযোগ দেওয়া উচিত। এতগুলো টিচারের ভবিষ্যৎ ভুলে যাবেন না। এরা সবাই স্কুলে পড়ায়, স্কুলগুলোর কী হবে? এডুকেশন সিস্টেমটাকে কোলাপস করা কি বিজেপি গভর্নমেন্টের টার্গেট? বাংলাকে আর কত টার্গেट করবে?
रिस्पेक्ट टू हाई कोर्ट, कोलकाता हाई कोर्ट बहुत बार हमारे राज्य सरकार के खिलाफ कुछ वर्डिक्ट दिया, लेकिन वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आके स्क्वाश हो गया। इस बार नहीं हुआ। इस बार हाई कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने प्रिवेल करके रखा। तो हम फिर बोलते हैं, हम जुडिशियरी को मानते हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को मानते हैं, तो वी रेस्पेक्ट द वर्डिक्ट। बट हम यही बोलेंगे कि हम ममता जी के ऊपर हमारी भरोसा है। तो ममता जी आज ही दोपहर को एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट को साथ एक मीटिंग भी बुलाए।
ममता बनर्जी की सरकार की गाल पे बहुत बड़ा एक स्लैप है, थप्पड़ है। ममता बनर्जी की सरकार ने, ममता बनर्जी ने और उनकी पार्टी ने नौकरियां बेची है। आज एपेक्स कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया की इस वर्डिक्ट की वजह से ये पूरी तरीके से प्रूव हो गया, और इसके बाद भी ममता बनर्जी आज मीडिया के सामने आके अपनी मुंह दिखा पा रही है। इतना निर्लज्ज मुख्यमंत्री हमने अपने इतिहास में कभी नहीं देखा।
सत्यमेव जयते। इसीलिए कह रहा हूं कि पहली बात तो सहानुभूति है, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है। इतने सारे लड़के लड़कियों को झटका उनको सबसे ज़्यादा लगा है, लेकिन इसके लिए जिम्मेदार सिर्फ ये तृणमूल सरकार है। ओनली ये तृणमूल सरकार इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है। इसलिए मेरा कहना है यूथ को, जब समाज को, कि जितनी जल्दी हो सके इस सरकार से अपने आप को मुक्त करो।
India Today's editor Indrajit Kundu joining me for the latest on this from Kolkata. Indrajit, good morning. How is the Bengal government going to take this ahead? Because it clearly looks like a massive corruption taint on the government right now, and we're talking about education system after all.
Well, Pooja, this has been a big talking point,
Yes.
not since yesterday, but for last few years. In fact, even the last election. Last year, the Calcutta High Court had scrapped these 26,000 jobs. Mamata Banerjee government was adamant, and therefore they went to the Supreme Court. But they've got this huge, massive blow from the Apex Court yesterday, which has only upheld the Calcutta High Court's verdict. Now, I was going through the verdict, the order copy yesterday, and the court has categorically stated that because there has been a corruption in the entire process in the 2016 panel of recruitment of 26,000 primary teachers, there have been around 6,000 odd illegal recruitments in these 26,000 cases. And since the government has not been, or the West Bengal School Service Commission has not been able to segregate those appointments which are illegal versus those which are legal, therefore, the Supreme Court had no other option but to scrap the entire, recruitment drive. And therefore, how it's playing out in West Bengal, especially with the opposition parties, is that most people are now blaming the Mamata Banerjee government for destroying the careers of majority of the teachers who wanted to play it fair in order to rescue or save those who actually cheated to get a government job. So, Mamata Banerjee
Indrajit,
was
what
erasing.
happens to the 25,000 teachers? That's a big number.
Well, absolutely. The court has categorically stated that all jobs stands cancelled right now.
Wow.
And those who got the jobs illegally, they will also have to pay up. They will have to return the salary that they have got. Now, the fact is, it is up to the CBI now to find out who are those candidates and identify them who got the jobs illegally and cheated versus those who did not get it illegally, and even their jobs have been lost. But the only relief is the Supreme Court has said that they won't have to pay up the salary. But the fact is,
nevertheless,
there is a majority
yes, and
of them who have
Indrajit
lost the job.
cannot in any way hamper with the teachers' appointment. They are literally the bedrock of this country. They shape up the next generation. That's something that should be taken in all seriousness. Thank you very much. Indrajit will be tracking not just the political showdown, but how this issue really goes ahead. We're talking about over 25,000 teachers, teaching and non-teaching staff.